Nowadays, the condition of mechanical engineering and civil engineering becoming very bad in engineering institute as well as in university because seats are still vacant. People are not much more interested toward the civil and mechanical engineering. So this is also responsibility of university and institute who are running mechanical and civil engineering courses to revive their mechanical and civil engineering department. So here I am going to discuss some important point. By considering these points, we can revive mechanical engineering and civil engineering at their university and institute as well. So reviving a mechanical engineering department at a university requires strategic planning and commitment to long-term growth. If we are planning for short term, so that will be not going to be successful. So first one is curriculum modernization. Whatever curriculum or scheme we are deciding, that should be as per the modern requirement, as per the university requirement. So revise the syllabus to include topics like renewable energy, robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, additive manufacturing, and sustainability. So these are some very important and modern topics and modern technology which we can include in our curriculum. And also, hand-on learning is very much important. So increase project-based learning, internship, and practical labs. This helps the student apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problem because near about 70 to 80% student who are just completing their BTech degree in any area, they have no practical knowledge about this. Just they know something about the theoretical, but every time theoretical knowledge is not works. So practical knowledge is very much important. And also, industry relevant certification we can introduce at our institute and university as like CAD, finite element analysis, CNC machining to boost student employment. So these are some certification course which we can include at the university level. Next one is you know collaboration, that is very much important. So we have to enhance industry collaboration. So just build a partnership with local and international industries for internship, research collaboration, and consultancy work. These partnerships help align academic goal with industry needs. Guest lectures and workshops should be conducted. Invite industry professionals for the seminar, workshop, and mentoring to expose the student to real world trends and challenges. And seek funding from the industry or government body to support research in the cutting edge areas like electrical vehicle, renewable energy, or automation. So these are some fields uh, which we can implement, and also towards the faculty. So some training program, collaborative research support should be provided to faculty. So invest in faculty training and professional development program, ensuring that staff stay updated on the latest trend and technology. Provide funding and incentive for faculty to publish paper, attend conferences, and engage in high impact research projects, and encourage faculty to collaborate with industry and international academic institutions, creating more opportunities for innovation and growth. And also, we have to focus on the infrastructure. So, upgrade existing labs and create new ones that focus on robotics, 3D printing, advanced manufacturing, and material science. Provide access to software and simulation tools commonly used in industries such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, you know, NSSY, MATLAB, and also stabilize specialized research center focusing on areas like energy system, aerospace, or sustainable design. And also we have to engage students to you know get participation in national and international engineering competition. So encourage students to participate in national and international engineering competition, like Formula SAE, robotics competition. This is not only to increase the department's visibility but also boost student skill, and also support student run engineering clubs where they can work on extracurricular projects that align with industry trends, and provide strong career services, mentorship program, and networking opportunities with alumni and industry leaders. And just focus on the alumni network to provide mentorship, funding, internship opportunities, and donation to the department. Engage alumni to contribute to the department's growth through the endowment funds for scholarship, lab, equipment, or research grant. And also we have to focus on the research and innovation. So focus on high impact research as like just identify key areas of innovation where the department can excel, such as sustainability, energy, aerospace, biomedical devices, or autonomous system, and encourage faculty and students to publish in high impact journal and present at international conferences, and create innovation hubs within the department to foster startup culture and entrepreneurship among students and faculty, and also just try to collaborate with the other institute, partner with other leading mechanical engineering department globally to share resources, knowledge, and research. Engage student in a community service project where engineering can make a tangible impact, such as designing sustainable energy solution for local communities, and encourage participation in exchange programs, international internship, and global engineering competition. And also marketing and visibility is very much important for any department to count in the market. So just promote the department's achievement in the research project and organize success through the social media conferences and workshop, and focus success story of alumni, student, and the faculty to attract prospective student and industry partner, and work on increasing the department's visibility through the articles, press release, and collaboration with the engineering publication. And also is depend upon the leadership and vision. So develop a strong long-term strategic plan that outlines the department's vision, goal, and step to achieve them, and ensure that departments had administrator are fully engaged in fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and excellence. So these are some basic points. By focusing on this area, a mechanical engineering department can be revitalized, becoming a center of excellence in education, research, and industry collaboration. So these are some very much important points which can be very helpful to revive the mechanical and civil engineering department and institute and university level as well. So this is some basic point just I want to share with you. So thank you for listening this. Thank you.